We are back at the Phra Khaong market.
Get ingredients for glory chop of fried bananas. Back in my impossibly small kitchen. I feel like I'm about to cut my wrist. Minutes later, and with pans that feel like they've been soaked in a glue pot. Not really sure what a glue pot is.
Wait, a glue pot is a pot with an outer container holding water, used to heat glue that sets when it cools.
The bananas are going to soak in a mixture of salt water and lime for about 30 minutes. I messed up that poor banana. She's not even going to use it. I am so close to taking off my knuckles. I am going to leave this up to the pros. It's all yours. Nice. A little bit of sugar, and it'd be perfect. And not a big fan of sugar.